Worksheets.
Earth paper is surprisingly nutritious.
You want some, kiddo?
No. Thank you. Thank you. Rod, is your worksheet done?
Yes, but I can't hand it in right now.
Because?
Aliens ate my homework.
I am a plant worth knowing. There's intelligent life on this world after all.
You are now my deputy.
He's doing doll voices. They're action figures. Whatever you need to tell yourself.
Begin Operation Cover Up.
Did you really have to do whatever this is? Oops.
Bird!
What is it with you and boogers?
Is that not an appropriate expression of righteous warrior rage?
If you're 5.
I'm gonna smush you.
I feel the need for speed.
Ow! How did you move so fast?
Flower! Power! Eat my pollen!
Incoming!
This is gonna get messy.
Nobody's gonna mow me down.
Warrior science tells us exactly what to do next.
And we're down.
There's only one studio that brings you 5 unlikely heroes and 3 spirited friends. DreamWorks Animation Television.
Hey, you. You up for a ride?
I'm gonna ride.
Spirit Riding Free, an original series about friendship, adventure, and riding free.
Let's see what you can do. I'm feeling really good about this. Ooh, easy.
Boys, it's time to suit up.
And Voltron Legendary Defender,
Get some of this.
where 5 lions join together
Form Voltron!
to save the universe.
Everyone to your stations. This could be the fight of our lives. Oh, man! Oh, what's going on? Let's do this!
Catch them now. Voltron Legendary Defender and Spirit Riding Free. Only on Netflix.
Master Jim! You have been chosen.
Jim, you are now responsible for the protection of 2 worlds, human and troll alike.
We should begin your training.
Now I have 2 lives to keep up.
There is nowhere to run, Trollhunter.
Do your worst.
Trollhunters on DVD and digital now.